Welcome back. We are in Calabria, Italy, where we will be making something that is treated like gold and very hard to find, called vino cotto.
Welcome to my land. This is where my mom grew up and where my grandparents used to live. This is Calabria. We used to come here every summer to visit them. Grandpa and grandma now they passed. But what they used to do is something called vino cotto. It's so yummy. And it's like gold because it takes the whole day to prepare. So we pick the figs, the riper the better, because they're soft. The other one we eat them fresh from the plant, like this one. Look at that. It's so good. They're so sticky. All that thing is sticky. So the others we dry them. Okay, the ones that are more ripe we're gonna cook them. We're gonna slow cook them on the fire. I'm the guardian of the fire. Apparently we have to stay here the whole day because it's a whole day thing. And yeah, it's only 40 degrees there. And I have to wear long pants, otherwise the mosquitoes will kill me. Perfect. Once they're cooked, we put them back in a stretcher so we can dry them again and not waste them. And with the rest, with the juice that comes out now is reducing. It's gonna become like a very thick brown syrup. It's like super thick, like it's like honey. Yes, that's like honey. It's like fig honey. Oh my god, this is so good. We use that honey to make some very typical sweets that we're gonna show you. And this is a lot of land that they left, and now it all belongs to us, to the family. And there's so much. So they used to have all sort of things here. They used to have a pig, sheep, goats. They used to make olive oil. They used to make wine, sell it to the cafes in town. They used to do everything. They just live off the land. So we're back, and all this land is gone lost because when they get old and got sick, of course they stop doing all this hard work. So we don't want to waste what is left. So good.
So we took about
9 hours
with about
to do this.
20 kilos of figs, and we only have about 2 liters of
honey.
Vino cotto.
Now we're gonna bottle it, and then my sister is gonna make some typical sweets called canaricoli. Che c'è papà così tutto il tempo poi con la ripresa così.
Ok.
Si è grattato le palle.
Lui scrivi sotto, me ne fotto.
Roba.
Ma sta facendo il video? Tutti abbiamo leccato.